Hi everyone, what I have here is a sagging gate. I put this gate together by some spare parts of a railing, just cut it to the size, attached it to 4x4 posts, and attached it with some screws just on the top rail and the bottom rail, if you can see in there, on both sides. And it's not that tight, so the gate sags. If you see, it's kind of flimsy. Move it around. You hear that noise? That's the sound of plastic rubbing on plastic. So I took a look at the internet and found some ideas that I can use to level it off or lift it from sagging. And they indicate to attach a piece of wood, or in this case, a piece of composite, run it across, one side to the other diagonally to help lift the end that sags. Or, I've seen some products available where you can attach a cable to the lower part of the outer post to the hinge. Top part of the hinge post, and with a turnbuckle tighten it up, and it kind of lifts up the end of the post to make it level. But those don't look too good. It has a real terrible appearance. They might be good for a privacy gate, but when you're using a gate with balusters and you have that diagonal cable or a piece of composite or wood, it kind of looks terrible. But I found a solution. I came up with an idea, and I'll show you what I did. Well, I added some reinforcement to the right side of the gate. You can tell, looking at the left side and the right side, how the left side is significantly lower than the right side. And you can see how terrible that looks, how it sags. So what I've done was I added some reinforcement. First thing I did was I took a piece of 4x4 wood, inserted it into the vinyl post, and I also added a rod, a threaded rod with a nut, and I inserted it all the way through the top portion of the upper railing to the other side, and tightened up the bolts. As I tightened up the bolts, it lifted up the sag, and it came perfect level. And I'll show you how I did it. That is it. It is perfect level now. No more sagging. That did the trick. I hope this video helped you. If it did and you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And thank you for watching.